Welcome to the August 2025 Hero Studio Layering Stencil of the Month called Sunnyside Manor. Let's take a look at this month's product. This 4-piece layering stencil features a beautifully intricate 4-piece design that builds into a stunning damask-inspired background. Each layer adds a rich depth and ornate detail, perfect for creating elegant card fronts, journal pages, or mixed media art. Blend in various colors for a bold statement or go with tone-on-tone inks for a subtle finish. Now let's create a card. Start by placing down a piece of fog cardstock from Spellbinders that measures 5 1/4 by 6 1/2 and adding repositionable tape to the back to temporarily secure it in place. Each layer is etched with a number to guide the stenciling order and includes corner alignment squares for effortless positioning. Secure your stencil down over the cardstock starting with layer 1 and hold in place with the Best Ever craft tape. Begin by ink blending with Amethyst ink from Hero Arts. Apply the ink with a blending brush through the open areas of the stencil until the entire background is covered. Be sure to also ink blend over each square in the corners to align the next layer of the stencil. Remove the first layer of the stencil and bring in the second layer of the stencil, aligning the corners, and then hold down with the Best Ever craft tape. Begin by ink blending with grape juice ink, once again applying the ink with a blending brush through the open layers of the stencil. For a bright pop of contrast, bring in Green Hills ink and apply through the open areas of layer 3. For a touch of shimmer, go over your blended area with the Hero Hues Reactive Glitz ink. To avoid any smearing, you may need to dry your panel with a heat tool. Blend the fourth and final layer of the stencil using charcoal ink. For clean edges, die cut out your panel using the largest rectangle from the Nesting Rectangles die set. Use elements from the card kit for August 2025 to decorate the front of your panel using the images stamped out and also the frames in the included card kit. For a spooky, ghostly type of look, use pitch black, charcoal, and granite to stamp your image. Die cut out your images and your stamped sentiment using the coordinating die, and then also die cut out the 2 layers of the frame using the Spellbinders Treasured Cardstock Onyx Assorted Pack. For the back layer of the picture frame, use pitch black ink to add a shadow around the edges. Build your picture frame by attaching using liquid glue. Add your stenciled panel to a side folding card base and add your picture frame to the center using a tape runner. Add foam squares to the center of your sentiment and liquid glue on the edges and adhere your sentiment over the picture frame. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.